Hey everyone, welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we are making a Greek favorite, a healthy and delicious classic, so let's begin. In a heavy pot over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 chopped onion. Now add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, and sauté. After that, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to add body. Add 5 or 6 quartered potatoes and mix well. Now add 3 cups of water. Add 1½ cups of fresh or canned diced tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to add 3/4 to 1 cup of white wine. And finally, add washed and trimmed fresh green beans. Cover and let them cook uninterrupted for 25 to 35 minutes. Try not to mix or stir. The steam will gently cook the beans. Serve with feta, crusty bread, and of course, wine. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.